dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for a maths class. So, please take out your maths book, that is hands on mathematics, level 3, perfection book 1 of 2. So, today we are going to start with section C. Today we are going to start with section C. So, there are two units in section C, that is unit 7 and unit 8. So today what we are going to do, we are going to do section C, unit 7, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. So to start with factors and multiples, today we are going to understand about the odd numbers and the even numbers. So we have two types of numbers. You did the number system, you know the counting. Counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on till 10,000 in 1 lakh. Okay. So you can continue, keep on going with the numbers. So we divide these numbers into categories. So today you're going to learn about the even number and the odd number. So even number, you can see the spelling of even is even, even, and odd, O-double-D, odd. So today we are going to learn about the two types of numbers, that is even number and the odd number. So you know the number line, you know the number system. So out of that number line and number system, we divide the numbers into two categories, odd number and even number. So how you going to find out which number is an odd number, which number is an even number? So odd number and even number. Even numbers are those numbers which we divide by 2 and we get 0 as a remainder. When we divide the number by 2 and the remainder is 0, then that number is even number. For example, if I am writing 42, when I will divide 42 by 2, so 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, your remainder is 0. So 42 is an even number. 42 is an even number. So what is an odd number now? So when we divide it by 2, just division by 2, not anything else. So when we are dividing the number by 2, for example 71, divide by 2, 2 threes are 6, you will get 1, you will get 1 here, 5, 10, and 1. When you will get remainder more than 0, when there will be a remainder like 1, 2, 3, or any other number, then that number is odd number. So even number, when you divide it by 2, you will get 0 as remainder. When you're not getting 0 as a remainder, then that number is an odd number. Getting this point? Even number, when you divide that number by 2 and you get 0 as a remainder, then that number is an even number. If you're dividing that number by 2 and your remainder is not 0, then that number is an odd number. So difference of even number is that it will be divided by 2 and remainder is 0. Getting this point? So we always take table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 six are 12, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then 24. So all these numbers are the numbers which comes in table of 2. So all these numbers are even numbers. All these numbers are even numbers. Why? Because the number which comes in table of 2 will be divided by 2 and you will get the remainder as 0. So your table of 2, the answers of table of 2, all the numbers in that particular table of 2 are even number. Or you can say every second number in your number line, starting from 1, or you can say starting from 0, 0, 2, then 0 is also even number. Okay, getting this point? Fine. Then 3, 4, so 2, 4, 6, 7, then 8. So every second number, you can see every second number is even number. Okay, so till 2 tens are 20, you know that you know the answer that all the numbers in table of 2 is even number. Okay, when we are talking about 4, 6, 8, can you tell me this is an even number or not? How you going to tell this number is an even number or not? See here, you will do division. That is the first method. That is the first method, that you will divide this number by 2. 4, 6, 8, divide by 2. 4, 2 twos are 4, okay. Then 6 will come down, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. So your answer is 234. Your answer is 234. Yes. So when you will divide, you will get 0 as your remainder. So this number is an even number. But without doing this all calculation, can you tell me this is an even number? So I'm going to tell you the trick. See here, you have to see this is HTO, hundreds, tens, and ones. So ones means ones place value. When the ones place value consists of table of 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 8 comes in a table of 2, so this is an even number. This is an even number. For example, 4, 6, 7, 2, 2. Ones place value 2. 2 ones are 2. Yes, this is an even number. Without doing calculation, you just have to take the ones place value. If the ones place value consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12 will get into ones place value again. Okay, so you can see 0 to sorry, 0 to 14, again 4 is coming at ones place value. So you have to check 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the ones place value consists of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If ones place value is consisting of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then your number is an even number. Otherwise, it is an odd number. Otherwise, it is an odd number. So without doing division, without dividing the number by 2, without checking the remainder, how you are going to check that? You have to check the ones place value. If the ones place value is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then your number is an even number. Getting this point? So in this particular manner, you're going to find out the even number and the odd number. Rest of the numbers are odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. All these numbers are odd numbers. Getting this point? So let's start with our work today. So what you are going to do, first of all, you're going to do one activity. So activity consists of that you will take one basket. In that basket, put 11 potatoes or 11 onions or 11 tomatoes. Or you can take kidney beans also. Okay, so you will take kidney beans, you can take chickpeas. It depends upon you which item you want to take from your kitchen in that particular basket. Now take out two kidney beans at a time, or two onions at a time, or two potatoes at a time in the next basket. So you have to take two baskets. In one basket, you're going to put 11 potatoes, onions, or kidney beans. Okay. For example, you will take this basket. You will put 11 things in this. Okay. You will take another basket now. You will make a pair of two, and then you will put two here. Okay. Then again two. Then again two. Okay. Similar. So you keep dividing two, and you will cancel the two here. You will take, and I'm just showing you the picture. Okay, you will do it yourself, and you are going to make the video. Fine. So again, you will take two and put it here. Two are gone from here. Again two. Two are gone from here. Again two. Fine. Okay, and again two. So now you will see that one is left. Now you can't put one, you have to put two. Fine. So this one is a remainder. This one is a remainder. So 11 is odd number. 11 is an odd number. Okay. Similarly, when you will do with 12 things, you will find that there is no remainder, no leftover. So it is an even number. 15, you will find remainder as your one as your remainder, and then it will be an odd number. So when you divide one thing by two, when you divide one number by two, and when you will get zero as a remainder, then it's an even number. And when you will not get remainder as a zero, then it will be an odd number. See here on page number 85, we are going to start with the module 1 of factors. Then you can see here. Now you have to divide these apples by 2. Or you can say divide these apples in group of 2. So see, 2 in one group, 2 in one group, 2 in one group, 2 in one group. So 1 is left. So this is odd. This is odd group. And how many apples are there? There are total 9 apples. So 9 apples means 9 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. And 9 does not come in table of 2. Okay. Similarly, see here sons. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So no remainder, no leftover, then this is an even number. So in how many sons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is an even number, and 2 6 are 12. So 12 is an even number. Similarly, with these butterflies, there are six butterflies, so you can pair them, and this is an even number. Then you can see these fishes: one, two, three, four, five. Five groups and one is left. Means there are total 11 fishes, and 11 is an odd number. 11 is an odd number, and one's place value consists of 1, which is not an odd, which is not an even number. So to check the even number, what you have to check? At one's place value, there should be 0, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now, page number 86. Now you have to use your ones place value method. Now you have to use your ones place value method. How you're going to use your ones place value method? That you have to take the ones place value of each and every number, and if the last digit of the number is an even, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is also an even number. If the last digit is an odd, means 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, or 9, then it is an odd number. Okay, so you have to check the ones place value digit. Okay, if the ones digit is Even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You have to learn this. These are the even numbers. ओके, अगर वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 है तो वो इवन नंबर है. अगर वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पर ऑड नंबर, फॉर एग्जांपल 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 है तो वो ऑड नंबर है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हियर. So we have to take the even number and we have to cross the odd number. Okay. So let's start with the even number. This is 2. Yes, even. 9 odd. 0 even. 3 odd. 4 even. 9 odd. 7 odd. 9 odd. 6. Yes, even. 3 odd number. 2 even. Odd, 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 even, even. Okay, so it is very easy to check the ones place value. If you will not use this trick, what you have to do, you have to do the long method of division, and it will take time. So you just have to check the ones place value. 5 odd, 7 odd, 6 even, 5 odd, 0 even, 9 odd, very good, 4 even, 9 odd, 0 even, 3 odd, 7 odd, 4, 8 even. Next two lines you will do it yourself. These are your practice numbers, so you have to do it yourself. Okay, so in this particular manner you are going to do page number 85 and 86. You're going to do page number 85 and 86. Now please take out your diaries, everyone. So everyone take out your diaries. In your diaries, you're going to write today's date in date column, and in maths column, do page number 85 and 86. Do page number 85 and 86 and do activity and do activity. So do complete your work. In next class, we are going to learn more about factors and multiples. We are going to observe more about the even number. We are going to observe more about the different kind of numbers. You did the even number and odd number in today's class. In next class, we are going to talk about the prime number and composite numbers. Okay, so do complete your work. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.